Good afternoon, everybody. So we're here again at the White Horse in Bolton. As you know, we've set up our enterprise here, which is the We Shine Any Car enterprise, which is powered by Genuine Futures. We're here in the community and we're offering a service to local residents. And basically our service is around supporting young people to get them out of the beds, get them out of the house and learning real world experience. Now, what's really good is we've been supported by local community and local businesses. And I'm here now with Daisy, who's come and support us today, haven't you? So let me
Yeah.
ask you, Daisy, why have you come to support us today?
Well, I think it's a really good cause. Like you say, it's getting people out of the house, getting them doing something, and it's just paving the way for people actually becoming better human beings and learning how to grow up and live in the real world as an adult.
Fantastic. And, it's people like yourselves, we need this kind of support because what we're doing is we're creating opportunities for young people, aren't we?
Yeah.
So you've experienced coming down here today. What's it been like for you?
It's been a really nice day, and there's been loads and loads of cars coming in. We can see the people who work for you guys working really hard, putting in a lot of effort. So it's nice to see.
Fantastic. And it has, it's been that kind of experience today. People mucking in, getting lots of attention, and people asking what can they do to help, and it's kind of what we want because we're providing a service for the community, but we're also giving real world experience to young people. And actually, I was speaking to Daisy earlier, and Daisy, tell me, because you've got an idea of your own, haven't you, about some of the things that you'd like to do in the community?
Yeah, so we're going to collaborate with Genuine Futures. The idea is that we're going to get a bricklaying training day started, provisionally booked in for the 13th of August. We will have to have like a sign up register because we can't just have people turning up willy nilly because we do expect it'll be quite a busy day. So we're going to have allotted time slots. We're going to get some benches laid out, some bricks, and actually teach younger people how to lay bricks. And if they're interested in it, it's something they can go to in the future and look at as a real career.
That's a really, really good idea. So, and how will that work then? Who is it that you're looking for? Which people do you want to come down?
Ideally, like 14 to 24-year-olds, just anybody who's interested and got a little bit of drive about them, really, who wants to do something with life.
And if you could just shed a bit of light on, what would that session look like?
So we're going to have some benches set out. We'll have three of our bricklayers, our three main guys. The young people will come in. It'll be about a 20-minute session per person, and they'll have benches laid out, and they'll actually teach them how to lay a brick. They'll have some mortar, and they'll just show them exactly what to do. We'll provide all the tools, all the materials. They can literally just come down and learn and see what they think of it.
Now, that to me sounds like an absolutely fantastic initiative. So, if somebody wants to get in touch, then what would they do? What would they? How would they get themselves booked on? How should they get in touch with you?
I think Sam's going to create a link through Genuine Futures and they can sign up through that. But I mean, if it's popular, it'll be a regular thing for us. We're happy to do it regularly because it's just giving back to the community, really.
100%. So there you have it. This is what we call collaboration at work. We're offering something to communities. We need everybody to be doing that. And from what Daisy's explained with BBS, I think it's a brilliant initiative. So if it's something that you're interested in, something that you want to get involved in, what should they do?
Go to Genuine Futures, hit the link and sign up.
Fantastic. Well, listen, thanks for your support today. And it
Thank
sounds like
you.
a really good initiative. And we'll hope we'll get a lot of people behind it for you.
Right, brilliant. Thank you.
Thank you.